We'll guide you through how to download Minecraft Java Edition on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You're probably aware there's another version of Minecraft known as Minecraft for Windows, Minecraft Bedrock, but we're focusing on Java Edition in this video. So what you want to do is go and press search at the bottom of your computer, and you want to go and type in store. We can go and use the Microsoft Store. This is essentially an app store for your computer. Go to the top and you can press search, and you want to go and type in Minecraft. I recently have, so I can easily see it here. Now you're going to go and see these different options. So Minecraft Java is a paid for game, so we'll need to go and pay for it and buy it if you haven't already. You may already own it. If you do, that's fine. If you're yet to, go and find this one here. I can see it's $24.99. We are also going to get access to Bedrock as well, so you can go and purchase it. Otherwise, if you already have a Microsoft account where you purchased it, we can just go and get the launcher, which I do. I have, so I can get the launcher. Then what we can do is press install, and I'll press install again. It's now finished and we can click play. So if you've just gone and purchased it, we can also go and open it up as well. Wait for the launcher to go and update. Press sign in with Microsoft. You need to go and sign in with the account you bought Minecraft on. Go to the left and you select Java Edition, and then for you, it may go and say install. For me, it says play. Click on it and wait for the files to download. Now what we can do is go and get into a world.